everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for Tuesday, June 21st. We got two bits of good news this morning for Germany and the euro, but they don't seem to have made much of an impact on the FX market. Euro-dollar was pretty much unchanged, even though the dollar was weaker against most other currencies. First, the German High Court went along with last year's decision on the outright monetary transactions, the OMT. This spares the European Central Bank from having a debilitating legal fight on its hands right now. I don't think there were big expectations that the court would decide otherwise, though, so I don't think this was particularly market affecting, as it turns out to be. The ZEW indices came out and were uniformly better than expected, but this too didn't cause the euro to budge. Now, there are no major economic indicators out this afternoon. Instead, the market will be looking for some guidance from ECB President Draghi, who speaks to the European Parliament, and Fed Chair Yellen, who starts the first day of her two-day testimony to Congress on monetary policy. That's probably the more interesting one. She starts off with a prepared statement that's usually based on the statement following the last FOMC meeting, and so usually doesn't contain anything new. But then comes several hours of grilling by senators. She may give more indication of whether she thinks interest rates will go up this year. I expect her to discuss why the committee lowered its estimate of the long-term equilibrium rate for Fed funds, even though they didn't change their view on the long-term growth or inflation outlook. That was the big news from the last FOMC meeting, as far as I'm concerned. It suggests they see the U.S. sliding into Japan's low growth, low inflation, and low interest rate predicament. It's a significant change, and I hope she explains it. Talk about how U.S. interest rates are likely to be lower for longer could be negative for the dollar this afternoon. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.